In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the alert sound in TradingView. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive into the steps to personalize your alert experience. First, to get started, you'll need to open the TradingView app or simply search for it on Google. Once you're on the platform, you're ready to begin customizing your alert sounds. Next up, click on the Charts option. This is where you'll set up your alerts and begin making those important adjustments. Now you'll want to right-click on any empty area in your chart. This action will open up a menu for you, and from here you need to select the option to create an alert. It's a straightforward step, but it sets the foundation for your customized alert sounds. After you've done that, click on Add Alert from the menu. This takes you to the section where more details about your alert can be specified. Now, look for the Notifications section within the alert setup. This is where the fun part begins. Here, you'll find all the options for different sounds you can choose for your alerts. At this point, you'll be able to select your preferred sound. For this demo, I'll choose the beep beep sound because it's distinct and really grabs my attention whenever something important happens. Once you've made your selection, make sure to click on Apply. This action saves your sound choice and prepares you for the final steps. After applying your chosen sound, the last part is to click on Create. This finalizes your alert setup, and now you're ready to receive notifications in the way that suits you best. And that's it. You've successfully changed the alert sound in TradingView, giving you a customized way to keep track of your trades and activities. Changing alert sounds can really enhance your trading experience. It helps you differentiate between alerts and ensures that you never miss out on critical market movements. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.